Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. Now we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. People that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually have like 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts, all working at the same time, but we're only going to be using one account because you want to try it. You're going to want to try it before you can say, hey, this is something that can work out for me and stuff like that, right? If you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And that's simply because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, guys. 80% recurring income is absolutely insanity, as you may know. Now, for example, like if you click on a link in the description below, decide that you do want to try the $25 business, I would get $20 of that $25. Okay, guys, because that's 80%. And say you stay in the system, you like the system, you stay in the system for a full month, I'll get $20 again. So that's why sales are so valuable in this system. And this is the easiest way to get sales. So it just meshes up really well. So anyway, guys, let's look at our results here. Make sure that people refresh their pages before they show you their results. Don't believe them if they don't. All right, guys. It looks like we did get a sale.
Nice.
Now the $100 is a rebill because $100 can only be rebills, but we did get a sale today, which is great and fantastic. All right, guys. Man, this is working out really well, guys. I'm just saying it's working really well for me. I'm getting a ton of sales. And it's the simplest thing in the world to do. All right, so this is how you're gonna do what I do. All right, guys. So first off, you're gonna go into the description. You're gonna see a link, and the link gonna have step 1 on it or something like that. The $25 business. And once you click on it, guys, it's gonna take you to this page here. You take you to this page. It's just gonna explain $25 business and what you can make, the $20 to $100 monthly commissions, so on and so forth, that I be making and I be showing you guys. It just tells you about that. Now once you click on yes, I want in, it's all over the page here. It'll take you to another page that explains exactly what it takes about a minute. It's gonna explain exactly what you're purchasing here, the $25 business and all that, so you fully understand what you're doing. All right, guys. So after you watch that 1-minute video though, you'll get to a page that looks something like this. Now right here, you're gonna put in all your information, email, confirm email, all that good stuff. Okay, guys, the credit card number and all that. That's where you put it in at, right? But and you pay down here, you get the $25. Now, one thing I want to speak on here is this here. This here is the HBA Premium. HBA Premium is a system in which it teaches you how to promote the any product, how to set up ads, all that good stuff. It's a lot of teaching on how to do ads, how to set up a YouTube to get it going, stuff like that. It teaches you how to do all of that stuff, and it's constantly adding stuff in there. It even got a content machine in it now, which helps you make content. Like you ask it, hey, give me 5 Instagram hashtags relevant, and they'll give it to you, stuff like that. But anyway, it's $125 a month. All right, guys. Now if you click on the link in the description below, you can get it for 2 weeks for free. Now the reason that you want to do this is because this system works based on if you have a product. So for example, you buy the $25 product, right? You do not have this. You decide you don't want this, right? That's fine. You get a sale. They get the $25 and they get this. You would not receive that $100 from this. Cause 80% of 125 is $100. You would not receive that $100 because you don't have this product. All right, guys. So that's the reason why you want to get this product anyway. But you can always wait and get it later. but this is free for 14 days. So if you get somebody in, get some people in 14 days, you're gonna be fine. It'll pay for itself. But that's just all there is to that, guys. So once you do that, sign in, all that, come to a page, look something like this. You'll log in, boom, boom. You'll be on a page, look something like this. All right, guys. So what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. You'll probably be on the affiliate zone up here, right? And once you click on that, you're gonna come to a page that looks like this. By the way, there's videos about all of this, guys. Videos about all this. I'm just speed running through it real quick. And you're gonna sign in for an affiliate program here. Once you sign in, very simple process. You log into SoundCard, and that SoundCard gonna take you to this page here, guys. You ain't gonna have no money in it or anything like that, but you will have your links here. And what you want to grab, the link that you want to use here is the all-in-one $25 business. Step 1 complete, guys. All right, once you do that, you want to go to the description and you see step 2, guys. Step 2 is the all-in-one. I meant to say the my $25. No, the my lead gen secrets. I'm so sorry. Getting jumbled up a little bit. But once you click on that, it'll take you to a page that looks like this, guys. Now what he's gonna do, he's gonna tell you what this product is about. Simply what the $25, what the My Lead Gen Secrets does, it gives you 100 leads. They are cold leads, but you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail to every single day. All right, guys. Now there's a time limit. You can only mail once a day. Once a day, so they don't get bombarded with emails. But you can mail this 100 leads every single day, and they real leads. I get sales from them all the time. That's the most important part that I want to try to explain to you guys. I get sales all the time with this. So once you do that, right, you click on it, you click in right here, you put your email in or whatever it may be, right, and you log in. Go on, make your account, you log in. All right, I'm gonna log in real quick here. And once you log in, guys, you get to a page that looks something like this. You can look at your leads if you want to and all that good stuff. I'm not going to expose anybody's numbers and anything like that, so I ain't going to click on that. Master email swipes, you could do that as well, but I recommend not to do that. You don't need the email swipes. Understand something, guys. If you do purchase the email swipes, I do get a affiliate commission from it, but I recommend not purchasing the email swipes because I'm going to give you email swipes for free, for example. And you can just copy my email swipes because they've been working for me. They should work for you as well. So you go to the mailing system here and you click your leads. You only have 100 leads. Don't worry about your low number. You can still get sales with just 100 leads, guys. And the idea is to build up until you get to like my number here. And I'm mailing to such a huge amount of people that somebody is interested. You know what I mean? Somebody is interested. So you just got to keep mailing them and you'll get sales, guys. And understand something, this list is made for people that want to make money online. So even though they're cold leads, they do want to make money. So they're interested in anything that helps them do that. All right, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down here. We got our emails in there already. Now what we want to look for is we're going to find an email that I already written. All right, guys. You guys can copy the email if you want to, but as you can see, the email stay in the system, so you can just click on one and send it and be done. So ultimately, you just do this in 30 seconds. I'm just doing a video and showing you guys how to do it. That's why it's taking me so long. So what I'll do here, I go down to email here. I just click on one right here. This is the one email I decided I'm gonna use here. So I just use this email here. You can copy that if you want to, make $10,000 every month for $25. Copy this email very simply. It's a very short email. These work the best for me. I seem to get sales with these shorter emails. And yeah, guys, looks very enticing. Looks interesting. Just use this, copy this, and you all right. All right, guys, pause the video, copy it, and type it in. All right. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. What that does is send the email around the time that people check the email, so it should end up on the top of their lists, right, guys? And you just preview it, make sure your link works, guys, and then you send the email. Let me check and see if my link works real. It does work, no problem there. So, and then we just send the email, guys, and that's all there is to it. You follow that, you'll make money online. At least a couple hundred. I'm making a couple $100 a month. It's slowly growing. As you can see, I made like a lot of money this month. Matter of fact, let me see here how much I made this month in particular. I just want to check real quick. See how much I made this month in particular. Oh, I made $1,000 this month in particular, guys. All right, so yeah, this is going real fast. I'm getting a lot more bigger sales. You know what I mean? It's starting to take off. You know what I mean? This is my best month this year, ever since I started, guys. It's slowly growing. It'll happen to you too, guys. So just get started. Have this as a side hustle. It's just my side hustle. It's not even a side hustle, really. It's just one of the things that I thought was interesting and very easy to do with making money. It's a very simple process. So I thought I'd show you guys this super simple process of making money online. Very easy to do. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. I do other stuff for money, but this is a nice side project. I did not expect it to grow this fast or grow. I knew it would grow. I didn't know it would grow this fast. I'm making a lot of money. But you gotta understand something. Most of this is this $400, right, guys? So I got a really big sale this month. That's probably what most of it is, but I'm still getting really good money overall, guys. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.